Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Hypothermia, chapter 13. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Rulin and Yusing, since Sherilyn was taking a photo shoots on her. Well, definitely she's tricking her again. Are you sure? What kind of movie needs such a question of false photos as an interview materials? Well, I mean, these pictures of yours don't show me as a person. Well, she was right about this. Probably she was thinking that Rulin, she was tricking her at this time. I think it's a quite suitable and the director will definitely like it, Rulin said to hers. Of course, they would not enter not to questions my judgment, Rulin said to her. Well, it seems that, using, she was gritting her teeth. She know to herself that Rulin, she was tricking her, but she can do but question her at this moment. Suddenly, she was going to cry squeezing a lot of tears. Shirley, I beg you, please, don't send these photos to the director. If these photos were to be leaked to the outside world, my reputation would be ruined. Well, at this moment, Shirley wanted to bite her and said, by then, I'll definitely fight to death with Shirley and bite her. Well, she know to herself that Shirley, she was tricking her, but using, of course, she can do anything about this. But if you don't post these photos, you can seem to think that what traffic this shoots for you as an interview material. Well, Rulin said to her. Now, Yusing said to herself that this bad snake is playing tricks on me again. Well, finally, she knows that she was only tricking her to do this kind of things and it was not related about the work. Then, let me sing a piece of drama or dance a piece. Haven't you helped me take photos many times before? Using said to Rulin. Well, finally, she remembered. Rulin, she seems to be silenced. Well, knowing that they're really together back then, and now it makes sense, probably. She still heard about this, but moreover, she remembered taking photos back then. She was really graceful and also she's really happy. When you were still unwilling to call me a teacher, I helped you to shoot many learning videos. Rulin, she remember about this, but later as a thank you, you bagam naughty lady. Well, it seems that back then, using she's getting tricky, and she take a photos of her that she was a snake. He took an video of me when she was drunk back then. Well, Rulin, she looks really vulnerable back then, and also look at her at this moment. Well, remembering the fuss. Now, Rulin, she become quiet. Well, roughly, she knows that how to confront her, but still, she remains silent about this. Well, roughly, she want to reminisce about the fuss of the two of them. Now, using, she was trying to speak to her, but still, she keeps staring on Rulin eyes. Now, makes sense. She moved closer to her. At that time, I was ignorant. Why did she know about this? Did that silly Suyan complain to her? Well, it seems that she know everything from the past. Now, using, she's trying to coax her and said, I didn't take that photos on purpose, and later, I didn't came back. Well, so it seems that that was the thing that happened before, that's why she really escaped from her. Well, this is really a misunderstanding. I did take some messy pictures of Shirley in the moment of confusion. Now it makes sense. She was really regretful about this. Back then, I gave those pictures well. They didn't leak out and they didn't cause any loss to her. Still, maybe she was holding the photos and also the videos. But now, remembering, later, she imprisoned me and did many excessive tricks to me. Well, it seems that was the reason that's why she really escaped from her back then. Turns out, ruling, she became tough on her. Let me go. Are the physical and mental damage I have suffered not enough to pay for my mistakes I made my mind on my youth? Well, Yu Sing said to her. Now, Rulin, she already calmed down and said, Shen Yu Sing, you owe me a lot more. Oh, it turns out she become more possessive to hers right now. That's why she wanted to tell. After hearing that, well, Yu Sing, she seems to be surprised. Also, she looks really scared about her. Probably, she was really scared. What will Rulin going to do with her? Now, please, prepare the materials yourself and I will help you to shoot tomorrow. Rulin said. Finally, she was going out at this moment, using, leaving her alone in the room. Now, it makes sense. She can think so many things. Also, she becomes silent. Well, probably she's been curious what were Rollins gonna do to her next time. I knew she had a bad intention. She would take revenge for my slight. She would break her grudges. Now, it makes sense. Using, she was really screaming after Rollins went out on the room. It turns out Shirley, she went back on her own room, and what is she going to do? Well, probably she was plotting something against her tomorrow morning, but it turns out when she came back to her room, she was staring on the wall. Could it be that there's something there that Shirley missed out and Shirley wanted to stare on them? So it turns out it was the old photos of using itself and it really makes her curious. It turns out you didn't forget about the fuss. Now, she seems to be happy. This is an excellent college student. This figure is indeed worthy of the word excellence. If I were her, I would be ashamed to leave. Well, so strong, I have so reaction when I see it. She remembered the fuss. Well, when she's still young, things that she done, who has all the photos high, the price demand. Well, it seems that she was really working hard to attain what she's been in through at this time, and makes sense, remembering all the things, also the sad things. Teacher Yang, a notice of punishment. Well, it seems that something happened back then, that's why she's been really tough on herself, but remembering using itself, I like it so much. Could it be that she really fell for her back then and she really wanted to be with her forever? Now, Rulin, she keeps staring on her photos. Shen Yusing, are your love for me and the feelings you had for me in the beginning are all fake? Well, she seems to be getting sad by this, but now she keeps staring on her photos, caressing it. How long do I have to wait before you give me a little more love? So it turns out she really wanted her attention and also love for her. Well, let's hope that everything can be settled for the two of them. Yang, my Yang, Rulin, she keeps kissing, using photos at this moment. Well, she really misses her so much, that's why she was kissing her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!